Hi guys, Captain Nick here once again with MarineMax over in St. Petersburg, Florida. Standing next to me today, I've got a Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard. Let's hit on this exact model for a minute. As far as SPXs go, we've had more people buy this model than any other one. Why? Not too big, not too small, just right. Hop on board and let me show you why. Before we hop on board, let's hit on something. Value. Each one of these SPX models, especially the 210s, we spec out with a swing tongue trailer. That way you can keep it in your garage, you don't need to find a place to keep the boat. You really get a lot of bang for your buck. Back here we're powered by a Mercury 150 horsepower 4-stroke, Operation Bedrock as they call it up in Fond du Lac, the most reliable outboard engine on the market. I get the question a lot, hey Nick, is a 150 enough to push this boat through the water? Absolutely, you'll get up into the 40s. You can either take my word for it or come on in for a sea trial. Once again, we're rocking the ivory interior inside of the boat. Back here, the sun pad, of course, when you put the outboard on back, we have all the storage in the world down beneath there. One quick thing about a 210, opposed to a 190, is this right here. Have this flip-up seat so you can lounge out. As we make our way towards midship, I'm going to point out something. Instead of a bench seat, we do have a co-captain chair with a bolster. Really nice to sit. The seat will swivel too. Have a really great conversation with your captain, telling him where to go, where not to go, you know the deal. Over here where all the magic's gonna happen, we did a really great job of splitting up the analog gauges along with the Simrad digital dash, tell you where the fish are underneath you. Up here on the bow, you can see this is where you're gonna wanna be hanging out. Once again, I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax St. Pete, 210 SPX outboard. Come see what all the hype's about. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.